Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate WatermelonDB for high-performance mobile apps step by step clearly. To activate WatermelonDB for high-performance mobile apps, first, ensure you have a suitable development environment set up. Begin by installing WatermelonDB in your project by using npm or yarn. In your terminal, navigate to your project directory. Run the command npm install save watermelon_db or yarn add watermelon_db. Next, set up the WatermelonDB database. Create a new directory in your project for the database configuration files. Inside this directory, create a file named database.js. Import WatermelonDB and required dependencies at the top of database.js. Define your database schema by creating models to represent your data. For each model, extend the base model class provided by WatermelonDB. Specify the schema properties, including name, primary key, and any columns your model will use. After defining your models, create the database instance by initializing WatermelonDB. Call the database constructor with your schema and the adapter. Select an adapter that fits your needs, such as the SQLite adapter for mobile apps. Next, create or sync the database to reflect the defined schema. Use the migrate method to apply schema changes if necessary. Start building your application's UI and integrate the database in your React components. Use the WatermelonDB hooks or queries to interact with your data efficiently. Test your application to ensure performance and correct database operations. Optimize your app by using WatermelonDB's features like lazy loading and observability. Finally, monitor the performance and refine your database queries as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.